Who are we? What role do we play on this planet? Sun, water, air, earth are our basic requirements for livelihood. We have the ability to maintain its beauty. Every drop of water, every bit of energy is in our hands. Every customer, every promise. It is for the earth that we respond. A small step for us would make the world a better place. Sustainability, the motivation of growing, the cornerstone of civilization development. Since the establishment of Living Fountain, we've never stopped pounding on methods of changing the century-old industry of civilization and human history in order to improve the quality, reduce costs, and the sustainability of development. Living Fountain brings convenience for humans and protects the environment, also bringing out complete solutions in manufacturing. During continuous trials and experimentation, we are firmly committed to plastic manufacturing. From design to manufacturing, we infuse innovative energy and combine experience and technologies, then apply it to research for various types of plastic materials, promoting green manufacturing and creating a clean process environment. Living Fountain has been dedicated to developing high-quality, non-toxic packaging materials that comply with environmental regulations for a long time.
集权公司成立于1991年，从创业到现在，我们一直以满足客户的需求为首要目标，并期许自己成为最专业的包材提供者。目前公司的产品有3类：第一，清洁保养类包材；第二，食品安全包材；第三，生技药包材。公司每年都创新研发新产品，来满足客户一站式采购的需求，并大大的提高了客户产品的附加价值。集权公司极力永泉，勇往直前。
Non-toxic, clean, energy conservation, sustainable. The highest care for humanity, we provide the best solution for manufacturing and a global-friendly environment. And through decades of practical experience and accumulation, we've achieved abundant market experience. Your considerations and demands are in our plan. Living Fountain serves people to create a better way of life.